The scampis are exquisite, but they are poison. Look at this. Today we talk about some foods that should not be consumed, since they are harmful to our health, and more if you have cholesterol. 1. Milk. It limits the consumption of whole dairy products like butter and whole milk, as well as dairy products with fat, such as yogurt and cheeses. If you are used to drinking whole milk, or using high-fat dairy products, try switching to low-fat or semi-skimmed milk. Once you feel comfortable with low-fat, try to start using skim milk or non-fat dairy products. 2. Viscera. Organ meats, such as chicken liver, contain high amounts of cholesterol. The liver produces cholesterol, therefore, eating an animal's liver will greatly increase your cholesterol intake. 100 grams of liver can contain up to 564 milligrams, which is almost double the recommended daily intake. 3. Butter. Solid fats, such as butter, contain high amounts of saturated fats and cholesterol. A bar of butter contains more than 243 milligrams of cholesterol. Oils like olive oil or canola oil are healthier choices than butter. 4. Hot dogs and sausages. In general, processed meats have high concentrations of saturated fats and cholesterol. The amount of cholesterol and saturated fats in hot dogs and sausages can vary considerably depending on what part of the animal they are made in. 5. Seafood. Unlike some fish, some types of fish and shellfish are full of cholesterol. Scampis, shrimp, prawns, oysters and mussels contain high amounts of cholesterol, but these foods are usually low in fat and calories, which can help prevent unwanted weight gain that can contribute to high cholesterol levels. 6. Egg yolk. Egg yolk is where most cholesterol and fat are found, with approximately 210 milligrams of cholesterol. Eating only egg white and eliminating egg yolk will help lower total cholesterol and consumption of saturated